everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys a new subscription box that I had not heard of. I don't know how I didn't hear about it, but I haven't. And they contacted me and asked me if I would like to review one of their boxes. Once I went to their website and I looked at it, I was like, yeah. I was super excited, and I'm very excited by this box for the simple fact that it is melanin friendly. So this is a subscription box that is black owned, and it is just like created for melanin sisters that, you know, it might be, I'm not even sure because I've never opened this box before and I've never even seen a review on it, so I'm not sure what kind of items will be in here, but I'm thinking it may be hair stuff or whatever. But if you are interested just like I am, then stay tuned and I'm gonna show you what's in this box. Now, before I jump into it, I just wanted to read something off of their website, just because, you know, I am going to link everything down below just in case you guys are interested in getting this box. And yeah, so it says self-care is the new black, the monthly melanin friendly lifestyle box for living your best life. And I thought that was super cool. It is a monthly subscription. It says beauty and lifestyle finds expertly curated with your melanin in mind. And then it says a bunch of stuff. I urge you guys to check out their website to read more about it, because it's definitely a good thing to support small businesses that's starting out and everything. And I think I just think this subscription box is needed, and I think it's cool. I haven't seen anything in it, but for right now, I think just the whole concept in itself is just awesome. Okay, so I have the box in front of me, but I haven't opened it, but I did tear it out the package. This packaging was really, really pretty. The black floral pattern I thought was cute. And now here is the box. I think it's super cute already. It has the black crown on the front, and it is tied with a black bow. It's a white box. I guess their theme is black and white. I'm loving it already. So I am going to get this open, and like I said, you guys, I am super excited to see what is in here. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. It is black paper with a little red heart on it, and let's just tear that open. Okay, so before I jump into it, I do see a lot of little cards on the top. So let me just take a quick look. Okay, so apparently I have July's box, I believe, because it says July right here in this corner. Excuse the glare. And it has, oh, okay. It tells you what's in the box. I don't want to look at that yet because I want to be surprised. And then, oh, this is cute. It says Meet Coco, and it has a lady with an afro on it. And it says Coco Fro is what happens when you mix plant-based ingredients with black girl magic and a whole lot of love. This is a movement. Coco Fro is dedicated to all the kinky, curly, and coily girls of the world who want herbal-based solutions for treating their fly locks with love, because ingredients matter. Stay woke. Hugs and kisses, Coco. I'm already feeling it. I thought that was super cute. I like that picture. I really like that picture. So, okay, as you guys can see by this big old smile on my face, I'm excited. So then here is a little sticker. It says Meet Coco, and then it has all the websites, information, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So that is in here. This box smells so good. Here is a coupon for $5 off of a product. Okay, so I'm going to jump into this. Now, the first thing I see is the Coco Fro Frotion Potion. Frotion Potion Styling Lotion. How cute. So this is what it looks like. And it says Frotion Potion Styling Lotion. And it has the pump top, which I like. 8 ounces. Lightweight hold, defines and softens, specially formulated to smooth and control curls and kinks without weighing them down. It's non-greasy, best used on damp hair. I will definitely be using this. Ooh. Oh my, it smells so good. Oh my goodness. And the texture of it is really nice. It's not too thick, but it's not thin at all. And I can't wait to mess around with that. So this is one of the first items that I see. Then the Cocoa Fro Restructuring Hair Oil. And that's right here. And it has the nice little pump top right there. It says apply throughout hair from scalp to ends based on your hair's specific needs. Use sparingly when needed, basically. So this is 2 ounces of that. And let's see. Then I see their little sayings is so cute. This one is a candle and it says stay lit. Look at that. And it's in a cute little can that looks like some vegetables or something like that, like a kitchen can. And it is a lit soul candle, sacred, sacral. I think that's what it says. Creativity, emotions, relationships, expressions of sexuality. So I can't smell it really good, but I can smell it a little bit through the container, and I will read the card after I'm done. Maybe it'll tell me a little bit more, but it smells really sensual, but kind of like tangerine-ish or whatever. That's the smell I'm getting from it. So far, I like it. Okay, then I see some, Kush Queen Ignite CBD infused water-based intimate lubricant. Then that is what we have here. I will not go in detail about that. Not on my channel, not right now. You guys know I'm like a friendly, like, no, not friendly. I'm deemed a family channel, so we will not be talking about lubricant. Then there are some stickers, Kush Queen Cannabis. Okay, so there was 2 of them in there, 2 of those oils, and some cards. Then, ooh, okay, then they threw in some Vice lipstick. Really nice. And this one is called Sheer F Bomb. And I do like Vice lipsticks. I love the formula on those by Urban Decay. So I'm happy with that. Then I see this book, and I think that is so cool. You don't see too many subscription companies that will put like a book in there for you to read, or, you know, something like that. Oh, I love the title. I love the title. Year of Yes. So this is the Year of Yes. I'm not sure what this is about. It's by Shonda Rhimes, and her picture is back here. Is that focusing? Hopefully it is. Right there. Really pretty. How to dance it out, stand in the sun, and be your own person. It says, I just saw a chapter that said yes to my body. Probably about self-love and all of that. I cannot wait to read that. It's a New York Times bestseller. And yeah. That is super cool. Let me toss that right there. And then I see this item in here. I'm going to sit this box down. Something like this. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. And it's like something like this with the little strings on the end. I will read now what is on this card so that I can tell you what this is. Let's see. It's a pesh, you guys, I'm going to say this wrong. It's a Turkish towel. It says Turkish towel, but it's pronounced Peştemal art. I'm not sure. I've never said that word before in my life. But it's handmade in Turkey on manually operated looms. Turkish towels dry quickly and take up less space than traditional towels, and traditional towels ain't multitasking like this one. Use it as a wrap, a sarong, a scarf, or a throw once summer ends. So you can use this for many items apparently. I will be trying it out. So yeah, now what I don't see is like the prices for each item, like what it retail values, but I will read you. Okay, so that's what that is. The lit candle says it is made out of 100% soy wax, a cotton core wick, and a dash of good vibes. Sacred Sakral is handcrafted to aid in your healing of your second chakra. Once you fully enjoyed the candle, a beautiful crystal will be unveiled, and with each candle purchase, regardless of size, a meal is donated to an individual experiencing homelessness. Now that is cool. So with each candle that is purchased, somebody is going to be a meal is donated to a homeless person. Scent is uplifting blend of red ginger, crisp saffron, cardamom, and sandalwood. That candle smells really, really nice through the can. I can't wait to open it. And the Cocoa Fro hair oil said it is an elixir of the gods, the hair gods, that is, formulated to deeply penetrate your lovely strands without leaving any residue behind. And yeah, so the rest I kind of, you know, read about. So this is really, really nice. Now, what I do know about it is that it is a monthly subscription. It's $49.99 plus, I think the website says $7 flat rate shipping. You do have to understand it is a little bit, it sounds a little bit on the pricey side, but any of you that know that our products that are designed, you know, specifically for us can be a little bit costly because of the ingredients that go in it. We want more natural ingredients for our hair and body and all of that stuff. So that's probably why it is a little bit pricey. But another thing is just because to support another black owned business, I think is awesome. So with that being said, I thank the company for sending me this box to review. I'm very proud of their box. I was waiting for somebody to do something like this. I think I don't know if there's any more out there, but I think this is an awesome idea. So thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to check down in the description box. I will leave, I think there is a discount code. She left me a discount code. So there will be one down below for you to get your first box. It will be like, oh, I can't remember what she said, 15 or 20%. I can't remember. Don't quote me. Something percentage off of your first box, and it will be down below. I'll put all that down there, and the link to her website. So even if you are on the fence of purchasing something like getting one of these subscription boxes, just go ahead to her website and maybe read it for yourself, and then you can make a decision. But I just wanted to come and share with you what was in this box. And again, thank you to the company for sending it to me. So thank you all for watching. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'd love for you to stick around. And for everybody else, thank you, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Bye.